Now there's many different sealants out there on the market, but do you ever ask the question, what would I use around a window frame on the outside? Whilst there is a few different options, things need to be considered whether it needs to be painted over either now or in the future. If so, then the best choice would be to use a hybrid polymer sealant that can be painted over when cured and indeed in the future. If you don't need to paint over it now, or you're sure it won't need painting over in the future, then the best choice would be to use a good quality low module silicone sealant such as LMT. As an example of this, for a UPVC window in general, although they can be painted, there's less chance of wanting to paint this kind of material in the future. So using LMT either in white or other common colour stocks to match the other substrates, whether it's stone, brickwork, blockwork, etc., certainly would be your best choice. I hope that's answered your question, but if you've got any more, please comment below.